See now, problem set to word problems. The second lesson word problems. In problem set to question number 12, page number 54. See, the difference between squares of two numbers is 120. Means difference between squares of, see here, it is not that only difference between number. Difference between squares of two number 120. The square of smaller number is twice the greater number. Find the numbers. See here, we should say let the greater number be x and the smaller number be y. See here, greater number be x and smaller number be y. Therefore, by given first condition, here by given first condition, what is first condition? Difference between squares of two number 120. We can say x square minus y square is 120, equation number 1. And by second condition, see now here, what is second condition? The square of smaller number means y square. The square of smaller number means y square is twice the greater number. Twice the greater number means y square is equal to 2x. See here, twice the greater number, not square of greater number. Only greater number returned. See, the square of smaller number means y square is twice the greater number. By mistake, don't write here square. Only return twice the greater number means y square equal to 2x. Equation number 2. Now see here y square, y square how much? 2x. We can make combination of both equation. We can say that from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. See here, x square minus y square is equal to 120, but y square is how much? 2x. We can replace y square by 2x. See here, y square means how much? 2x. Remove y square, write that 2x. X square minus 2x equal to 120. Therefore, x square minus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. Finish. Now we have to solve this. Difference to multiplication of 120. 12 10s are simply that x square minus 12x plus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. Difference they want 2, multiplication 120. 12 and 10. 12 should be minus because why? We want minus 2x. 12 minus 10 plus. Now make combination of this, solve this. X in bracket, x minus 12 plus 10, x minus 12 is equal to 0. Take x common, x minus 12 plus 10, divide this by 10, answer come x minus 12. Right now double bracket for single time, x minus 12, x plus 2 equal to 0. Write this double bracket for single time, remaining in one bracket. Now this equal to 0, this equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 10 equal to 0. X will be 12 or x will be minus 10. Answer should be what? X should be 12 and x should be minus 12. Okay. Therefore consider x don't take as minus. Therefore x take as only 12. X equal to 12 and y will be how much? See here, we want y. Y square how much? 2x. Y square equal to how much? 2x. Y square equal to 2 into bracket. Okay. Y square equal to 24. Therefore y will be root 24. Y will be 6 4 means 2 root 6. Those numbers are 12 and 2 root 6. One number is 12 and smaller number is 2 root 6. If we do verification, x square will be 12 square 144 See, x square will be 144 and y square will be how much? 2 root 6 here means 24 only. Okay, do subtraction of this, answer coming 120. Okay, this way.